Well, if I don't do my chores, I don't play with my tablet.
Got it? In our family, I think it's important for our kids because it teaches them some life skills and helps them learn some responsibility. And let's face it, there's a lot of work to be done on a homestead, and everybody has to pitch in to help, and so we expect everybody to pitch in and help. You aim where the chicken will be. Okay? So like this girl right here, she's going to go that way. There you go. After school, they have a routine where they know they have to get their chores done. So as soon as they get home, they put their school bags down and they go and do their chores. And then we let them have a lot of freedom to play with toys and watch movies and play tablet and stuff.
Ooh, eggs. See the baby ducks. Aww. Oh, they're growing bigger. They're growing bigger.
Yeah, they are. Getting bigger every day.
Now my turn. Oh, ha, what Well, if I don't do my chores, I can't play. I touched the chicken. Did I poop the egg?
We don't usually get paid for doing our chores. It's just something we have to do to help out our farm and family, and I don't like it sometimes,
Daddy,
but
close it.
I have to do it. Oh, that's so correct. You can't close that at the end of the day.
Ice.
Maya.
We've tried to take a little bit of an organized approach to it, and we kind of listed out the common chores, and we divided them up between mostly the three boys. There are some that are in common, and then there are individual ones. And then we have 4 of these lists, and every week it cycles to a new list. And so they don't always do the same thing. Occasionally they would trade chores with each other because they don't feel like doing this or that. As long as they do their job, we don't usually interfere with that. As long as they get it done and are all happy with the arrangement, then we're happy. We've done this video as a part of a collaboration started by Farm Alarm. There are a number of other YouTube channels that are also producing videos for this. Please check them out. See what they have to say about why it's important to teach your kids farm chores. Thanks for watching.